asking me how I do my analysis and also get my signals. Okay, so I will be using this to explain to you what you need to do in order for you to have a better trading opportunity. So, guys, if you are trading Gainex or any of these synthetic indices and you have this trading tool, kindly watch this video to the end so that you will understand how to do your analysis in a better way. Okay, and before I go fully into it, I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right here, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we are right here. Okay, apart from the normal stuff we know about the chart pattern and the likes, okay, there are three things I usually take very serious whenever I am doing my analysis, most especially when I'm trading any of these assets, gain X, pain X, FX volume, SFX, and the likes. Okay, so these things are very important to me because they help me to have a better idea of the chart. Okay, those three things are called the trend, the resistance zone, and the support zones. Okay, once you are able to get these three things right, then you will always be in profit. Okay, you'll be making more profit than loss, and that is the beauty of every forex trader. Okay, every successful forex trader are always looking out to make more profit than loss. Okay, so each time the loss is more than the profits you are making, then definitely you are not making any profits at all. So the most important thing is for you to have more profits than loss. For instance, let's say you are taking 10 trades in a week or probably in a day. Okay, so let's say you have taken 10 trades in a day. um you should be able to make, I mean, to win, to have a winning rate of about at least 70%, okay, of the trading activities, which means from every 10 trades, you are able to win at least 7 trades from it. Okay, so this will help you by the time you do your subtraction and addition, you will notice that you are still making profit at the end of the day. And that is the beauty of it. So if you are on the Telegram channel and you are asking me why I don't post trades all the time, or probably why I don't post so many trades in a day, okay, it is because I need to make sure that the analysis is clear, and of course all accounts are well protected before I post my trades. Okay, so I need to look for the clear signals. I need to look for all these things, make sure that they are giving me the right signals before I go fully into it. And another thing, despite the fact that I look for all these things and I get an assurance that this is going to go in a particular direction, I still make sure I secure people's accounts by adding stop loss to it. Okay, so that is the beautiful part of it. That is how I trade, and that is how you guys should also trade. So among all these trades, the most important thing is the trend. Okay, the trend is more important. Okay, and the other two are those places where you should pick up a trade. For instance, right here, the market was on uptrend at this point. It was on uptrend at this point, and it was on downtrend at this point. Okay, most of us don't know when we should go into the trade and when we shouldn't go into a trade. Okay, so once I've been able to confirm the trend, let's say when I open the chart, I notice that this market got to this, I mean, it's approaching this resistance zone. So I should be expecting one or two things right from here. It is either there will be a breakout above the resistance zone, or there will be a change in the direction of the resistance of the trend. Sorry, either there will be a breakout above the resistance zone, or there will be a breakout uh, the, okay, sorry, let me take that again. Okay, it is either there will be a breakout above the resistance zone, or there will be a change in the direction of the trend. Okay, so that is very important. So at this point, okay, here is a resistance zone. it didn't break out above it, and of course it's changed the direction of the trend. How do I know? You can see the trend signal right here, you can see the sell signal, and of course you can see the chart pattern, and of course this is telling us that this is going to change the direction of the trend. Okay, so you should come in around there and place your stop loss at the resistance zone, and this will give you an opportunity to trade till the very end of the trend. Okay, so you can see there are spikes in between here, where we have pullbacks. You don't expect it to be selling just like that without any pullback. There will be, okay, sometimes the pullback will almost get to your entry point, but it will still go back in the direction of the trend. That is how powerful the trend can be. Okay, you can see this is the power of the trend at this point. But if you check it out, this also got to the support zone support. Okay, here is the support zone. You can see the same thing is applicable to this part. Okay, it is either there will be a breakout below this support zone, or there will be a change in direction of the trend at this point. If you should notice, I prefer taking trade right from this resistance zone. You can see that is why I said resistance zone will help you to know when to pick up a trade and when not to pick up a trade. If it had gone to the middle like this, I might not pick it again, except if I see a unique signal that I just want to scalp into it and make a little profit from there. But I might not throw such signal into the Telegram channel because it is a bit risky. I prefer picking a trade from here, and you can see till this very moment, that's huge profit. Okay, so right here is another support zone, so I prefer picking a buy trade from the support zone, a sell trade from the resistance zone. So if this is not going to break out, which it didn't, and of course you should know that there will be a change in the direction of the trend. So the next thing you should look out for is the trend signal. So we got the trend signal around there, which is the yellow flag, and of course we know that the trend is changing at this point. Okay, so we got our buy signal around here, so we should place your buy order. Of course, you know this is going to spike, and definitely it might not spike immediately, but because the trend is favoring it and it is coming from the major support zone, then it gives us an assurance that it's going to buy. Okay, except if it breaks out from this support zone, and that is why I always tell you, once you place your order around here, always put your stop loss at this support region. Okay, so if you are able, if this market should pull back or reverse or change the direction totally and get back to this stop loss, I mean to this support zone, to break out below it, then definitely to hit the stop loss and just be losing a little amount of money compared to the amount of money you would have made if it had gone your own way. And you can see it went the same way we had predicted it if we had taken this trade. Okay, you can see the custom made indicator gave us an uptrend signal, and of course it went in that direction. There are pullbacks in between, which is normal. Like I've always been telling you, it is normal for you to experience pullbacks. Okay, so if you are asking me if this trading tool will trade the spiky parts of all these assets, you can see it right here. It gave us an uptrend signal, it gave us a buy signal, and check it out, it spiked all through this till it got to this resistance zone. Okay, so right now the trend is changing again. If you are having this trading tool, you can see you can always get in on time. The trend is changing again. You can see it right from here, guys. It has gotten to the resistance zone again at this point, and it has not been able to break out from there. It has given us the downtrend signal. It has given us a sell signal. So this is the right time for us to sell. Right here, I put it here that we should come in around here and put the stop loss right there. If you are coming around here, check it out. This is huge profit. All these are 5 minute time frame. Okay, and of course I believe it should get to this place easily, and if it breaks out from here, then definitely it should get to this region. Okay, so that is the beautiful part of it. If you are having the right trading tools, it will also help you to simplify your analysis, to simplify your trading activities. It will make it very easy for you. Okay, So that is the beautiful part of it. Okay, so this is a custom made indicator called 3M Train Milker, and of course you can easily have access to it if you reach out to me right now via WhatsApp. Okay, so this is very, very important, most especially if you are trading any of these assets. You will enjoy it so much. It also helps you to trade our currency pairs, the gold, the silver, and the likes, all synthetic indices. Okay, so that's so amazing, guys. So you guys can take advantage of this trading tool right away and apply the same strategy which I have just explained to you right here. If you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me personally on WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.